Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can add a shortcut to Mozilla Firefox on your computer or laptop. Okay, let's get into it guys. I have opened my Firefox and the shortcut will appear right here. If you cannot see the shortcut here, it means that you haven't activated the shortcut. And let me show you how we can activate the shortcut on the Firefox. First of all, you need to go to the setting by clicking on the three lines on the top right, and then you're going to select settings, and here on the left side you can choose home, and then you can enable the shortcut. Okay, mine has been enabled, and then we can go back to the home page. Okay, after you enable the shortcut will appear right here guys. It will be automatically added according to the website that you open many times using your Firefox. Okay, and if you want to add the shortcut, just click on add shortcut, and then you can enter a title here and type or paste a URL. Okay, just like this, and then after that you just need to click on add, and then the shortcut will be automatically added to your homepage. Okay guys, and that's all the way to add shortcut in the Mozilla Firefox. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.